So Gen AI has multiple layers: the infra layer, the model layer, the application layer, and how does the interface happen. So the way we are thinking about it is that applications are going to be very significant in the next 2 to 3 years. So the hardware software conundrum of how efficiently we can manage at the right economic value is going to be very significant. Also, with the rise of agentic, how do we use agents as well, multi-agents, particularly in collaboration, to solve problems and gain efficiencies, create new business models that may otherwise not be able to be done. The infrastructure is available in multiple formats. It can be scaled as you go, whether it's on cloud, whether it is a hybrid model. There are also rent a GPU kind of models which are available. So there is infrastructure is not difficult to sort of ensure. Of course, the cultural infrastructure of the organization does need to be built up. That muscle is important to be built up. On the talent, there is a training journey that requires to be done. Interestingly, we are finding that youngsters who come out of colleges are perhaps more adept at looking at new sort of ways of working using generative AI than perhaps people with a lot of experience who are set in certain ways of working. So I think that will be interesting. Also, AI and Gen AI will solve the problem in itself, that it will increase productivity, that we may not necessarily have as many complexities in having talent as we have today. I think this is the third edition of the Deloitte AI Forum. We've gone from strength to strength every year. The kind of conversations, the inspiration, and I think three interesting things that I always find, right? One is the thoughts and inspiration that comes from hearing all the speakers and the participants. The second is networking with like-minded people in the same field that helps us learn more and more in terms of what's going on, what are we each other doing, and how we can learn off each other. And last but not least, experience some of the things which are happening in a more physical way, so that in the experience zones, so that we can, instead of visualizing what is possible, the art of the possible is visible to us. Right? So I think I always have a great time, and I look forward to continuing to do the same.